Welcome back to WeatherNation. Chicago, Illinois, looking at mostly cloudy skies out there. May see a few peaks of sunshine later today. We have some lingering snow flurries here across parts of the Midwest. No accumulations expected, and another cold front on the way, which will give us just a reinforcing shot of cold air, of course, and will keep our temperatures below average for this time of year. This is a quick check of your north central regional forecast. That is a look at the headlines here. Very similar pattern ahead later this week. Very comparable to what we've been through so far the last couple of weeks, which is just several waves of cold air carving across the Midwest. Marquette, Michigan, looking at a little sunshine out there across the UP, and we'll keep some sunshine in the forecast for this afternoon. Iowa City, a mix of sun and clouds later today, so you will start to see the cloud cover kind of thin out just a little bit. We're still contending with the backside of an area of low pressure that is wrapping up here across the Great Lakes, that is keeping our flow out of the north and keeping us under cooler than average conditions, and some cloud cover here across parts of Des Moines down to Kansas City, where places like Kansas City had a few little isolated flurries this morning, and that will continue to kind of taper off later today. Temperatures in the 20s for Bismarck, 30s here in Rapid City. We're only going to reach a high around 40 degrees in Denver, Colorado. We had clear skies last night in the Mile High City, allowing those temperatures to really drop into the single digits for some locations, mainly the teens for areas around Parker, Centennial. It was a pretty chilly start to the morning. We'll again have plenty of sunshine this afternoon. It just won't help us warm up all that much here across the eastern plains of Colorado, back into the high plains, with temperatures hovering just around freezing. And we'll see a few little isolated flurries here flying across parts of central and southern Illinois as we travel through the overnight hours for tonight. Again, very minimal accumulations expected, maybe close to a dusting at best here across southwestern West Virginia, but nothing as substantial to talk about. It is all due to that area of low pressure that is still giving us some wraparound moisture in the form of a few little flurries out there. Tonight's low temperatures are down into the 20s across Chicago, into the Ohio Valley. We're into the teens across Rapid City, 10 in Cheyenne. Another cold night for Denver, south into Pueblo, Colorado. And temperatures recover into the 30s for highs on Wednesday. Not much change here for you across Bismarck, North Dakota. And then we're going to get another front moving through Wednesday night and Thursday. And this will be the front that will again allow our temperatures back down well below average for this time of year, so reinforcing more cold air. It'll pick up some more moisture with the Great Lakes as that front encounters the warmer waters of the Great Lakes. That'll allow for some snow here across parts of Houghton, Michigan, east into Marquette, Sault Ste. Marie, the northern thumb of Michigan, Traverse City, and into parts of Alpena. That kind of beginning Wednesday night and into Thursday. Not a lot of moisture to work with here across parts of the Mid-South, the Midwest. So this is primarily just going to bring in some cloud cover on Thursday, and then we'll clear out, but still have that return of flow back out of the north, which will again allow those temperatures down to the teens. You can see there across the arrowhead of Minnesota, where highs will only be in the teens on Thursday, and right around the freezing mark for Kansas City on Thursday. High pressure in control as we move through Thursday night and Friday. That'll allow our skies to clear, and with that cold air advection coming in, it's going to be another cold night Thursday night and into Friday. Our next storm system, though, building here across parts of the Midwest, the Mid-South, that will be bringing some possibility of accumulating snow and ice to areas in those locations across Missouri, Oklahoma, but here across parts of the Midwest and the upper Midwest, we're going to stay dry for the latter half of the week, but temperatures staying below average for this time of year. Last stop here in Omaha, Nebraska. Few little flurries out there today. Minimal accumulations expected Wednesday, Thursday. Clear out, dry out. But look at that. 22 degrees for a high on Thursday, and the upper teens on Friday. Just makes you feel cold. Let's take you to Vidita, Oklahoma. We got another storm system on the way here, Patrick. We got to keep our eyes on.
Yeah, we want to kind of keep an eye on those temperatures as well that you were talking about, because we could be dealing with some areas there in Oklahoma up into Kansas. If there's enough cold air, we could be talking about ice accumulation as well as some snow accumulation. So the winter weather risk, we need to keep an eye on that here in the south central region. It doesn't look like areas like South Texas or southern Louisiana down along the Gulf Coast are going to be dealing with winter weather, but maybe some strong thunderstorms with some very heavy rain. But as far as our forecast today, we don't have to worry about any of that. We've got high pressure that's just dominating the forecast, setting up right there over the Red River. And what we're going to be dealing with this high pressure system is with mostly clear conditions. So I think there's going to be a lot of sunshine today, but that cold front, the one that really changed things, well, we're still getting the results of that front with the northerly winds that continue to allow that cold air from the north to move in. 42 for the high today in Oklahoma City, Dallas, maybe getting up near 50. Right now we're going to go 49 with your official high, 45 in Little Rock. Jackson, It's going to be a sunny day for you in the low 50s. New Orleans at 57 and 60 in Houston. But you can see what we're talking about here. Below normal temperatures. Oklahoma City 12 degrees below normal. Brownsville, Texas, even you down in the Rio Grande Valley, you're going to be down 5 degrees below your normal high for this time of the year. Then we got that clear sky tonight. That's not a good thing. That means it's going to be a cold forecast for tonight. Lows down to the upper 20s for Oklahoma City and Little Rock. Dallas, you'll be at 35 as you start your Wednesday morning. 42 in Houston, 40 in New Orleans and Jackson. You're going to get below freezing, right around 30 degrees for that low. We don't have any severe weather chances Wednesday. We're going to see some clouds, though, streaming in from the south. And some of those clouds, there could be some maybe light rain within them. But you can see those clouds, that moisture that's really starting to stream up out of northern Mexico. So everywhere into southern and central Texas, it looks like there's going to be a lot more cloud cover on the way compared to how sunny it has been over the past several afternoons. And it doesn't look like, though, we're picking up on any precipitation. So it looks like it will remain dry, but not as sunny as we have been. 50 in Lubbock for the high on Wednesday. Dallas, you'll get up to 56. We've got 60 in Houston, 63 in Corpus Christi. In New Orleans, you'll hit 54 for that high. The severe chances not really going to be there Thursday, but the thunderstorm chances will be there Thursday. You can see El Paso and San Angelo in that general thunderstorm risk. Severe chances, again, low, but we're really starting to worry about how things are shaping up for the heavy rain risk. So there could be some widespread flooding across Texas. For New Orleans, Louisiana, we're going to have those rain chances increasing for your Friday and Saturday, so it could be an active start to your weekend. Sunday's looking much better, though. We'll start to dry things out, maybe even get some sunshine. And then Birmingham, Alabama, there's a quick check of your forecast where your temperatures will get back into the 50s, but then cool right back down into the 40s for the weekend to go along with that. Some rain chances. There's a quick check of Dallas where you can just see those shower chances, maybe a thunderstorm possibility as well. Thursday, Friday, and even into Saturday. And Dallas, those temperatures having a hard time warming up, unfortunately, for your weekend will be in the mid to upper 40s. We've got a lot more Weather Nation coming up. Keep it right here.